biggest waves out there. Definitely wasn't expecting to have to fight the waves back. Same way I fought the waves all the way out to here. Oh well. It's about 3:45. I was planning on shutting things down at 4:30, but I think I'll give myself an extra half an hour. So I think I'll shut things down in about 15 minutes here. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm on the Spray Lake, up just south of Canmore. The elevation is significantly higher than Calgary, to the point that my little water bottle squirted out the lid when I opened it up after getting in the boat because of the pressure differential. And then in the back of me, I have one downrigger here active and a second downrigger that just come off the line. So it's time for me to check if I've got a fish. See ya.